Woo, welcome back, family. How's everyone doing? The lighting is not that, but let's see what we can do. All right, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? Haven't seen you guys in a little bit because things have been a little bit hectic lately, but I just got home a little while ago and I came home to this. So excited. So let's dive in. Okay. Let's see what this month, and this, everyone knows what FabFitFun is, right? I've spoke about them in plenty of my videos. And okay, so this is what this is what the box looks like inside. All of you that want to see what goodies. All right, so first of all, they start off with their magazine, and all of the items that are in the box are in this magazine. I like just scanning, not crazy about reading everything, but this is a cute magazine to have. And this is Megan Trainer. Oh wow. Okay, and then of course you always have your coupons. I don't really use any of these either, but it's nice to have. Maybe I'll save them for someone. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I'm so excited. And these are all the goodies that came in. Ooh, I already see something I'm gonna love. All right, let's get into this box. All right, well, let's start with that. Oh, these are so pretty. And these are bubble bar ear crawlers. Look how pretty that is. Can y'all see them? I'm trying to get you where the light is. So, oh, look at that. These are so cute. And these are the ones that just go straight up. Oh, I'm so excited to try them. They're so pretty. And is that gold or rose gold? It's gold. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see what else we have here. So we have a deep relaxed roller ball, aromatherapy. God knows I need that. Can y'all see that? I have a light here, so I'm trying to show you guys. All right, stop eating the confetti, cat. Weirdo. Okay. Oh, let's see. So this is, came open. Cat, stop eating the confetti. This is from Aromatherapy Associates. That's it. London. And this is called Deep Relax. Alright, whatever that is, but it's Deep Relax. You can't really see much of anything, but let me see what this smells like. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Oh. And it's a roller ball. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, that smells like, it's kind of it smells a little bit like Vicks. It's kind of minty. Okay, it does. It's kind of has menthol. Look at the roller on that. It's a metal roller. That's pretty. It smells nice. It's nice and calming. It smells like eucalyptus is what it smells like. Really nice. Oh, can't wait to try that. Well, I did already, but I can't wait to, when I really need it. Right now, I'm not really stressed because I'm home. All right, the next thing is Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair from Aveda. Oh, that's nice. Let me see. Is this open? So, oh, yes, it is. Oh, that smells nice. Okay. And you put this, it's an instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. All right, so you'll put this on before you start to attack your hair with a blow dryer. That's nice. I like the way that smells. And I always use those before I dry my hair. Okay, what is this baby? This is from Human and Kind. It's called a body souffle. Ooh, I love souffles for the body. And this is from Human and Kind, and this is what? Cream souffle. It's all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. That's what it says. Can y'all see that? Alright. My hands look so dry, and maybe I should put some of this on. Okay. If I can open it. Oh. It has a, okay, excuse me. I'm gonna have to use my teeth here. Okay. Now we're cooking with gas. Alright. Let's see. Right? Oh, that smells really nice. It smells, it's not very thick. It's not. You would think if it's called souffle. No, it's not very thick. It has a really nice, light, clean scent to it. It's like kind of peachy. It smells like peaches. It's nice and clean. That's nice. I can always throw that in my bag. Okay. Happy with that. Alright, let's see what the next item is. And it comes in a bag like this. I think when products come in a bag like this, I think they're more expensive, don't you think? I think so. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Oh, I already know what this is. This is from Okay, let me tell you something. I don't know if you saw my last box. My last FabFitFun box, but I received one of these also, and I hope this is a different scent, but let's see. And I received the same thing. This is like a, oh, I love this. It's like a body or hand lotion, and I liked it so much that one of my coworkers, she didn't really, oh, I think this is the same scent. Oh, and this one is smaller. The tube that I got last time, it looks like this, was a lot bigger. It was like a really full size tube. They got cheap this time. Come on. But I'll enjoy this nonetheless. She didn't like hers. She didn't like it, so she gave it to me. And let me tell you something. I rang those tubes until there was nothing left in them. So let me just see if this is the same scent. I really like this because it is and it's one of those that you can puncture the top because it's sealed. Alright. Let me see if it's the same. Cat, would you stop eating the confetti? He's having fun. Did you see him? He looks like a mouse. No, this is a different scent. Yeah, this is. It doesn't really smell. The other one was a lot stronger. I really like the consistency of this lotion because it feels really rich and luxurious. I mean, you know, like a more expensive lotion, it really does. But this one, oh, see what happens when you jump the gun? Oh, sorry. So the reason why, and I put this all over my hands, is just it smells nice though. Who cares? Oh God. This is a detox night cream. Really? That's why it's in a smaller tube. Oh, okay. So this is nice. Listen, it worked for my hands. Okay. On to the next. I can't with myself sometimes. Oh, this is nice, and I've seen this. I've seen these before. And this is a juice cleanse. Huh? I've seen these, but I have no idea what they were actually. And this is an exfoliating sugar cubes. Oh, this is nice. So I guess you can just leave these in the bathroom, right? And in your shower, I mean, and you can just grab a cube. Oh, these smell like they're edible. You know what this smells like? This smells like a Now and Later. An apple Now and Later, if any of you know what that smells like. Yep, and there are these little green cubes. Look at that, little sugar cubes. That's so cute. Look at that. And I guess they'll dissolve with the water and you can just, that's nice. Oh, I'll leave these in my shower. And I'm still finishing another sugar scrub that I received from one of my other boxes that I'm still not done. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. Oh, this looks exciting. And I think I know what this is. And actually, I think this is a makeup bag. Let me see. Let me open this before I jump the gun again. Oh yeah, this is another, what? Is this a lunch bag? It says, I don't know if you can see it, out to lunch. You see that? It says out to lunch. Alright, so is this a makeup bag or is this actually, it's nice. It's like a canvas material. Hey cat, you want to say hello? It's busy eating the confetti. Okay, let's see where I can open this baby. Is this a lunch bag? I think it is. What? And it's just, I think this is a lunch bag. Because it has the, you know, see? It doesn't have any pockets or anything. A lunch bag. Well, that's cute. I think I like the lunch bag that I have now better. But I'll save this in case anyone wants it. I have some people in mind that I can give this to. That's cute. Alright, let me put this back in the bag. That's really nice. Let me put it in this bag. It's cute because it's easy to, it's very easy to wipe. And it's, you know, small. I don't know how much lunch you can fit in it. You know, depends on how much you eat, I guess, right? Alright, the next thing. Oh, I'm going to be very happy. This is Mini Eye Essentials from Tristique. And I believe that this is... Oh, okay, let me show you. Alright. I believe this is for your eyebrows, right? So you have like 4 thingies here. Yeah. One is a brow... Oh, okay. So one is a brow pencil, the other is a shadow crayon, one is a shadow, oh you have 2 shadow crayons, one lighter than the other, and then you have an eye pencil. So there it is, just showing you. Oh, and they look like this. Look how cute. Oh, well, let's see. Wow. Okay, so this is, I gotta do this now because it's, this is an eye pencil. So, wow. That's nice. I mean, you can't really see it, but lighting is horrible here, people. It's just that I picked a bad spot, but not too many good spots in the house where the lighting is good. Not until I become a really big YouTuber, then I'll buy the lamps and, you know, all the good stuff. But, alright, this is what we're working with. You have to just, you know, kind of bear with me. I'm in a really goofy mood today. Which is a good thing, actually. This is the shadow crayon. Well, I don't know how I feel about this. Because, oh, my goodness. What? How can this be a shadow? Well, okay, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know how to work shadows, but look how dark that brown is. Okay, I don't know. This is the other shadow crayon. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Oh, I think I might like this one because it's nice and light. All right, let's just try this. Yeah, I think I can work this one better. Yeah, I can do that one. But that other one. And this is the brow pencil. Yeah, I really like this. It's kind of on the light side. Well, this is a really light brow pencil. That's how much I got. But I'll still use this. Yep, it's great for filling in. Okay, so that's nice from Tristique, right? I'm sure those things are pretty expensive. I'm not going to use all of them, especially that really dark shadow. Let's see, and I think that's it. Is that it? Why is there a cardboard box? Oh, that's it. Okay. Well, that was it. That's my unboxing for FabFitFun. I think it was okay. The box could have been a little bit better. I've gotten better. But overall, I think, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products out of 8. It's not too bad. Right? Okay. So anyway, I see you guys in the next one. I also have a, I made a very small purchase of Bath and Body Works stuff that I want to upload. So I will be doing that. And also I have Grove. So I'm a little bit behind, but I'm catching up. All right? So I see you in the next one. Take care.